gonna go show you my cat. I'll be right back. Here, watch the dog. Make sure she doesn't die. Maxwell! Where's the cat? Oops. Get all comfortable here. This is my cat. I love this cat. He's so cute. His name is Max. Hi, I'm Max. He's a little bit camera shy. The doggy. Okay, leave. You want to see my other cat? I'll go get him. Milo! Milo! Where did the dang cat go? He's on the chair. He's on the chair. This is my other cat, Milo. He likes to play in the bathtub. They always have the straightest faces. They're so cute. Leave. You want to see my bird? He laughs. I'll show you. Okay. Godfrey, smile. See? He laughs. And fingers. Laugh. Messed up bird. But he's cute. Oh man, what a day. Just been sitting around the house. But it's so beautiful outside. And I'm stuck at home. Here. Got tears in my eyes. Yeah, my mom's like, read a book. No! People don't read books! Not unless they're that, well, good books maybe. But I don't read. Do you see this? Blonda! I color. See? I'm not even lying. Got this big book of construction paper that just landed on the cat. I'm sorry, Milo. He's okay. I got something in my eye, something in my eye.